Howdy y'all, hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, if you're looking for the best Dallas apartments, you'd have to look at something that looks like this, with floor to ceiling windows in a beautiful high rise here at the 1400 Hiline in Dallas, Texas. I mean, these floor to ceiling windows, I walked in the door and these just completely stood out. They're amazing. This is actually on the 6th floor, the amenities floor. We'll be seeing more of those amenities in a minute. But it's a gorgeous, gorgeous building, gorgeous apartment. And look at the flooring. It's really nice, light, crisp and clean. And the apartment itself is just gorgeous, whitish, creamish kind of colors here, really crisp and light. You're gonna feel bright and light and just full of energy, in this apartment. You're also gonna have a great view here. This is in your bedroom. You're gonna have plenty of windows in here too. It's gonna be well lighted anytime you're in here. Whether the lights are on or off, you're gonna have tons of light streaming in. So if you're ready to experience that high life, that high rise amenity and that high rise feel, this is the place you should really consider. I want you to send me a text, just use the number below. I can set up a personalized tour for you, either by FaceTime or by a live in-person tour. You can send that text anytime, and while the 1400 Hiline may keep office hours, we don't. We're always available. We can always talk with you, give you our expert advice on the best places, and it's always 100% free to use us.